Hi guys, welcome back to my bathroom, and if you're new, you're always welcome here. I'm gonna be getting ready to go out, but I want to show you guys how I got this look. I used all my January favorites, plus I want to share with you guys this new brand called SOSHE. I'm super excited. If you guys want to see how I got this look or know more about SOSHE, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, I'm going to be starting off with my brows. I'm going to be using the Ilia Brows Pencil in the shade Soft Black. Guys, let me know what you think of my audio. I'm trying out a new mic, so you guys let me know. I'm trying to work this thing out, okay? I'm going in on my brows. My thing as of lately is I haven't waxed my brows in over 6 years, maybe 7, because I overwaxed them in high school and then I had no brows, and now I've been trying to grow them out ever since. But these days I just cannot find a shape that I like. I just can't figure it out. And the only brows gel that I like is from Credo Beauty, but I think it was like a holiday collection because I can't find it anywhere. So weird. I'm going in with my Perez moisturizer. This is something new I have added to my skin prep. I doubled it with my Bloom Effects Dew Drops, but usually I go in with my Youthforia pre-game, but I'm trying out the Perez moisturizer. It's really nice. It's not greasy, not oily, sits on the skin very well. I'm doing a little bit of the Perez, I hope I'm saying their name right, SOS balm around my mouth and my lips because I tend to get really dry around there. A little eye balm to make sure that my under eyes are super hydrated so that my concealer doesn't crack or, move around, transfer. If you want a flawless base, the most important thing to remember is to prep your skin. I'm giving it a little time to get tacky. You want to make sure that your skin has everything it needs to sustain throughout the day. Like, there should always be a shield between your skin and the foundation and the rest of the makeup. I'm going in with my Ritual de Feel serum foundation. 2 drops of that will give you a full face, okay? Very flawless. I do put it on my forehead, you guys. I just use whatever is left on my brush. I'm using my Mob palette that I created myself to go ahead and contour. I like to lightly cream contour because I go in with powder as well. And I've just learned that with my features, like with the shape of my face and with how prominent my features are, or I think they are, I don't know. Me personally, I like to do I like to do a full face. So over the years I've just learned how to use a little but of everything to get the look that I like. I've recently, I feel like, just gotten my makeup routine down to the point where I really love it and I'm comfortable with it. I hope you guys can't hear the background. I have my window open, you guys, and getting up to close it, I don't know, it's a task right now. I'm going in with my cream blush. This is the Gen C cream blush in the shade Apple. It's very, very red, but kind of like settles a little pinkish on my skin, and I kind of dig it. I like the vibe. I think Gen C is a great brand if you're into painting. I feel like it's for people who like to explore and have products that are multi-use. Like this blush could be an eyeshadow, it could be a lip balm, it could be a lip stain, it could be blush, you know what I mean? It's kind of like one and all, and I like them. They blend really beautifully into the skin. I will say this is the kind of product that you have to put in on a cream, on top of like cream based products. I wouldn't put powder on and then put the Gen C cream blush. I just would not do that because it's going to move it, it's going to pick it up, it's not going to be cute. I'm going to go in with the Kosas concealer. Guys, I love Kosas concealer, I do, but I also don't. I don't know, we have such a love and hate relationship. I'm adding a little bit of the Credo Beauty like foundation stick on to blend in the Kosas because I feel like this is the only way where it does not move. It's a very hydrating product, and I just feel like even when I set it, it moves, and I don't like that. But with this method, it stays on, and my under eyes are still hydrated, but it doesn't look cakey and they don't move. I don't know, like the blend. Do you see the blend? All right, another. You have to blend your products out, you guys. Like, even if it's for 2 seconds, Like, I can blend my concealer in really quick at this point. I've got a routine, because I've been doing it for a long time, right? But when you're blending, when you're doing your makeup, you have to blend out the makeup. If it means you need to take an extra 2 seconds to blend it out, take those extra 2 seconds. After I blend my concealer in, I give it a few minutes to just sit, and then I actually went back to fix my brows because it was bothering me. I'm still not happy, but I've come to just kind of like accept it. I'm setting my under eye in all the areas that I highlighted with the Mauve translucent powder. Now, I love this Mauve powder, but guys, you go through it quick. All right, you go through it quick. It's like 1, 2, boom, you're done. It's very I don't know. Anyway, I put that on, set it with a brush first, and then I go over it with my Jenny Patikin powder puff, because it just gives me a smooth, like, flawless finish. I'm doing my Wise bronzer, and then on top of that, I go in with my Aramis blush. I've been obsessed with this brush, guys. I don't even want to use the word obsessed, and I've been promising myself not to do that, but simply for the mere fact that, like, I'm not really obsessed with it, right? And also, I'd just be very annoyed if I was obsessed with such a thing as a blush. What is obsession? Like, obsession, it's not even a good thing. Anyway, it's just not healthy. Let's get back to the makeup. Let's get into this eyeshadow. For people who are not, by the way, this is not a marketing thing. Like, this is not an ad. None of these things are sponsored. I genuinely have been using these products for a while now, and I've just I just used them, I guess, a lot more in January for sure. This has been my, like, go-to makeup look. I've used this Gen C eyeshadow as, like, a highlighter. I've used it as an eyeliner. I've used it as eyeshadow. I love it. This is a brand, you guys. Okay, listen. This eyeliner, flawless, non-smudge, all day wear. Okay, this is a new brand called SOSHE. I'm in love. The lip liner, this is also from SOSHE. It's in the shade Mokie. It's one of the perfect browns I've ever put on. It's so pretty. It stays on so well. It pretty much stayed on like all day. It didn't smudge. I ate, I drank, nothing happened. It's actually pretty cool. I really like it. The brand is reusable. It wasn't that hard to pull it up, you guys. My hands are just really slippery. But this is a brand that is sustainable. Even the eyeliners are refillable. I love brands that take time, not only to, and I've say this all the time. Like, we have to be really intentional about what we're spending our money on, and what brands we're supporting, and how we're spending our money, you guys. And I love that SOSHE, almost all the brands I use, actually all the brands that I use in this video, are sustainable. They're earth friendly. Their packaging is sustainable. It's most of it is refillable, if not recyclable. Like, we just have to be intentional. Already kind of late, so I'm gonna head out. This hair is from Youthforia. I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. Everything I used is also gonna be linked down in the description box if you guys want to try it out. This is whatever, everything is going to be linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to give you one more chance to really get a look. Yeah, the skin, flawless. Alright guys, bye, have a good day. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. I'm so much more active on TikTok, you guys. Follow me on TikTok.